Hi everyone, welcome back. We are on day 4 of the 31 Days of Halloween series, and for today we are dipping into dip powders from Bling Galleria. We're diving right into this mani process today. We're starting out with the gel method. We are using gel base right now from Bling Galleria, and then we're going to be dipping into this really fun, vibrant neon green here, which is perfect for spooky season. It has a slight yellow neon undertone to it, so it's not a pure neon green. I love this color right here. This is like the perfect green for me, especially for Halloween. Also, this color has a really fun name. It is called Zombie Blood, and you can see already with that first dip that we did on that thumbnail how full coverage this dip powder is. It is awesome, and I just love this color, especially for spooky season. So for today's mani, we are going to be doing a lot of different things. It's going to be more of in the style of watch me do a mani type of video today because we're going to be doing so many different things. Right now we're doing the salad nails, but eventually we're going to be adding some foils to these nails. You will see that we're going to be diving into Lotus Pond here, which is going to add a little bit of pops of pink and purple in this mani. Because this is the Bride of Frankenstein, I wanted to incorporate some non-traditional like Halloween colors. I wanted to add a little bit of pinks and purple to this because I just figured maybe that would be something that the Bride of Frankenstein likes, but that's just me adding a little bit of different elements to this mani. But overall, I really had so much fun completing this mani. We are going to do some color blocking. We're going to add a decal. We're going to play with some nail art tape, which by the way, I will pop back in when we start that nail art tape because it is by far the easiest nail tape I have ever used. And don't forget to keep an eye out for that spooky fun Halloween image that's going to pop up somewhere in this video today. That is going to be the image for the entry today for that giveaway. If you're new to the 31 Days of Halloween series, welcome. We are doing a really fun giveaway. So each video is going to have a really fun Halloween image that's going to pop up. And then to enter into the giveaway at the end of the video, just click on that Google link form. You can find that in the description box of the video. And then you can enter in that giveaway. You just select which image you saw pop up in today's video. And then that is going to be your entry. You do have a chance to get up to 31 entries for the 31 Days of Halloween series. And then at the end of the series, we're going to spin a wheel and then someone's going to win a really fun grand prize. Now, when we first started this series, there was 7 companies that are helping out with this giveaway, and I'm pleased to say that we have 8 now. So someone is going to win a really fun, amazing giveaway that is featuring 8 different companies. So that is just so much fun. And Bling Galleria is also participating in this giveaway. So it's just going to be so much fun. So now we're dipping into this Lotus Pond here, which is that beautiful foil. This is where we're putting in some of those pinks and purples. It's just really fun foil dip powder. It's super easy to work with. You're going to see that here in action. And then we're also going to be playing with these foils as well. Towards the end of the mani, we're going to hand place some more on those solid zombie blood nails just to kind of pull in some more purples and pinks for the Frankenstein Bride mani. All right, so enough chit chat. Let's dive into these gorgeous dip powders, and then I'm going to pop back in just a little bit. Alright, so we went ahead and cured that color blocking nail for 30 seconds, and now for the second dip, I'm going to go ahead and apply that gel base onto that nail, and I'm going to really make sure that I'm getting into all those nooks and crannies, and we're going to hand place some more glitters for that second dip instead of going directly back into that cupcake liner. Hand placing is going to help reduce some of that bulk. Plus, we're going to be color blocking, so I really want these glitters to be as flat as possible. And right now, we are working with that Frankenstein glitter, and the black pieces that you see in this glitter are really fun. They're like black foils. So this dip powder is so much fun. It has a mixture of fine and medium and large piece glitters, and then it has these really fun foil pieces, so I love it so much. So that's what we're doing right now, is just hand placing a whole bunch of glitters, and then anytime that you see me brushing off a nail, just know that I did cure that for 30 seconds. All right, so let's get back into this mani, and then I'll pop back in just a little bit. So right now I'm going to go ahead and use this ombre brush, and I'm just going to gently tap it into that cupcake liner to pick up some of those finer glitters, to just help build up some more of those finer glitters and sparkle on this nail, and to dry up some of those liquids. So that's what I'm doing right now, just to focus on some of those smaller glitters. It's just easier to dip that ombre brush in, and then you can really pick up some of those finer glitters. And then I'm just going to gently press down all those glitters and then dip it back into that cupcake liner, just to make sure all that gel base is absorbed, and I cured it for 30 seconds and brushing off. Now we're getting into the color blocking. So that glitter that we originally did on the nail first, I'm going to put another piece of tape over that as a barrier. And now when we go in with that gel base and dip into zombie blood, it's not going to transfer any of that pigment over to those glitters. Those glitters are still going to stay sparkly and vibrant. Now a lot of times if you're working with a really pigmented dip powder and you would dip directly back into that cupcake liner, you're going to get some of that pigment naturally on those glitters. So to avoid that, I just like to do a little bit of extra barrier. It's definitely worth it in the end. So we are doing that second coat now of that awesome zombie blood color. I mean, I just like that name, and how perfect of a name is it for this vibrant glitter. So now we can go ahead and take that color blocking off. So now we're just going to go ahead and add some foils, and then we're going to add that decal, and then I'm going to pop back in just a moment when it's time to play with that really fun, easy nail art tape. now it's time to play with this really fun nail art sticker tape. Now normally when you're playing with line sticker tape for your nails, it's in like this spool and you can't figure out where it starts or where it ends. It's really hard to work with. You can't get it to lay flat in the nail. This sticker nail art tape is a game changer. So it's already laying really flat to the nail. I'm just going ahead and I placed it in between the color blocking section, and then I'm going to take this pair of cuticle nippers that I use for nail art and just clip off those sides there. And then I'm going to go back in with a little silicone tool here and just make sure that everything is laying really flat. And then just to make sure I am clipping off all that extra, and then to seal it in, we're just going to do a layer of gel base and cure that for 30 seconds. So I went ahead and did the base on the rest of the nails, and now we're finishing up with a layer of gel top coat. I cured it all for 60 seconds, and here's the finished mani. I had so much fun with this mani. I think it's so cool. We added a little bit of pink because this is Frankenstein's bride and she needed a little pink and purple, but yet we pulled in the green for Frankenstein, and then that awesome Frankenstein chunky fine glitter foil mix was so much fun to work with. Those are more of your traditional like Halloween colors, but it just all overall just worked so well together, and I could not be happier with how this turned out and how fun it was. We added that decal, and then we added that color blocking line tape in there, but that really just enhanced the foils in that in that Frankenstein dip that we used. It just really makes that dip powder pop, and then that zombie blood is that beautiful green, and it's just such a rich, vibrant green. You can see here it worked great with the gel method with that solid green. It's not patchy or splotchy or anything like that. But overall, I had so much fun creating this mani, and these foils are gorgeous. They did not bleed with the gel method or anything like that. But we did a lot today in this mani, and I really hope you enjoyed it. And don't forget to put in your entry for the giveaway today with that picture that popped up. And I will see you all in the next one.